had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for new content.
Hi guys, so we're back again. So today we're doing our Jamaican delicacy called stew plum. This is something that we've enjoyed over the years. So first thing you have to do is peel your plums, right? So I'm doing it today with green plums. So I've peeled about a dozen plums so that we can go ahead and get started, right? So to do this dish you have to put your spices in. So I put my spices in, put my plum in, my sugar in. So you're gonna gradually add the sugar again, right? You're gonna do it to how you want it. It means to how you want it, to how sweet you want it to be. But the sugar is what you're gonna stew everything down in, with all your spices and so forth added. So guys, the night caught me doing this. So I was so tired, but I had to let you see this. So you see they are stewing down right now. They look so lovely, right? So you see on the island, as I said, we love our spices, or cinnamon leaf, or almond, or island spices, and we use them for everything, right now I can tell you that it smells so wonderful as we stew them down. So you notice as we go along and it is boiling down, then you can see the plum getting a little bit darker, right? So that is what we want, right? We want them to get a little bit darker. So as we stew down, as we go down, it gets a little bit darker, the gravy gets a little bit thicker, right? And I can tell you this tastes lovely. This is awesome. This is something that is only done in Jamaica, right? So look at it, right? It's almost there. Don't they look lovely? Tell me in the comments, don't they look lovely, right? This is something that I've been eating as a child. Grew up on these. We used to get them going to school, and that's the finished dish. That's what they look like. Look at the sauce, right? Look how they look lovely. This is stew plum at its best, and I can tell you it tastes wonderful. It smells wonderful, right? And what we do is that you don't have to eat it all at once. You can store this in a container. It can be stored for a little while, right, without them getting spoiled. And that's the wonderful thing about it. And the longer you store it, the tastier it gets, right? So as I said, today I did the drops. You can click for that link in my bio. But look at the stew plum. It looks lovely. It looks wonderful. So tell me in the comments, tell me what you think about this wonderful stew plum. And there we go with our ingredients. So guys, just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for more content from Jamaica.